Science still cannot explain the abilities of these animals. Today we'll talk to you about 10 animal abilities that science still can't fully explain. Pigeons can accurately find their home even from thousands of kilometers away. Magnetic field, sun, or internal compass. Scientists still don't have a clear answer. Dolphins communicate with each other through complex vocalizations. The most interesting thing is that each dolphin has its own name. It is not known whether this is a language or a complex system. Each leg of an octopus moves independently, as if it has multiple minds. How one brain manages this is inexplicable. Ants cannot function without a leader, yet they build complex cities. They act in perfect order. What kind of collective consciousness is this? A question for science. Crows can make tools and plan for the future. This ability, previously thought to be unique to humans. Electric eels emit a strong electric current, but this current does not harm them. How is still unknown. Bats can see in the dark, and they use sound to transform their surroundings into images. It is incomprehensible how quickly the brain processes this information. Dogs sense human emotions. Sometimes they even detect illness in advance. What are they feeling? Smell, energy, or something else? Some jellyfish do not age. They regenerate their cells and return to a youthful state. This biological mystery has not yet been solved. Cats, on the other hand, act as if they sense danger. Earthquakes, changes, unknown events. What do they know? What we don't know. These animals remind us of that nature is much more complex than we think, and perhaps the greatest mysteries are yet to come. Subscribe to help the channel grow. Dear friends,